Let's see one problem from integration. We have to integrate 1 upon x minus x cube. So after looking at this question, one thing will definitely come into your mind, that why not make factors in denominator. So for doing that, we'll take x common. So 1 upon, if you take x common, you will get 1 minus x square. Fine. Now 1 minus x square, a square minus b square, so a plus b, a minus b, 1 plus x and 1 minus x. Now we can use the idea of partial fraction for 1 upon x, 1 plus x and 1 minus x. A upon x, b upon 1 plus x, c upon 1 minus x. Now LHS remain as it is. In RHS, what we can do is we can take LCM, so we will get x, 1 plus x and 1 minus x, which is anyway going to be cancelled. You know this will get cancelled, but anyway write that. Now with a, because x is there, so other two factors will come, so 1 plus x. With b, you will get because 1 plus x is there, so you will get x and 1 minus x. And with c, you are going to get 1 minus x is already there, so x and 1 plus x. So denominators, as I told you earlier, that it will get cancelled. Now you are comparing 1 with a times 1 plus x, 1 minus x, b times x, 1 minus x, c times x, 1 plus x. Now one by one we'll put try to make the term 0. So if I put x equals to 1, this will become 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. This will also become 0. So if I put x equals to 1, the first two become 0. In the third one, if you put x as 1, so 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 equals to 2c or c equals to half. Now if you put x as minus 1, so this becomes 0 and third one becomes 0. So 1 equals to, if you put minus 1 here, so it will become if you are putting x as minus 1, so minus minus plus, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, so minus 2 times b. So b you are getting as minus half. Now finally put x equals to 0. So the second and third will become 0. So you are getting 1 as equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. So far so good. You have got the values of a, b and c, which we will put back. So integral of 1 upon x dx can be written as a, which is 1 upon x, b, which is minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus x, plus c, which is 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x. Integration, this was equal to this thing. So if you have integrated both sides, so integration sign comes in both the sides. So integration of 1 by x, as you all know, is ln x minus integration of 1 plus x is log mod 1 plus x, integration of 1 minus x. Now one thing you have to keep in mind, when you are integrating 1 minus x, it will usually come out to be ln 1 minus x, but because the coefficient of x is minus 1, so just divide by its derivative of this term, so that will give you a minus sign in denominator. That will anyway, if you divide this by minus 1 plus a constant c, so your final answer is becoming ln x now what we can do is that we can club these two terms. Why not take your constant also as ln c? Let's take that an ln c. Let's see if we can do any adjustment with this. So it is from these two terms and from these two terms, ln log a plus log b. So if you club first and the last, you will get ln cx minus 1 by 2. If you club this and this, log a plus log b again, because inside bracket you will get ln 1 plus x plus ln 1 minus x. So again 1 plus x into 1 minus x, okay, inside ln. Okay, now again this is 1 minus x square. Okay, so ln cx further, if you want, you can take this minus half to the power. Okay, so if we move ahead, we have ln cx minus minus 1 by half is there, so plus I have took this minus half to the power. Now again log a plus log b, so log ab ln if you want this as a final answer, then you would have given this as a final answer. Otherwise you would have left till here also, no problem was there. Instead of ln c, you would have written c also. So as you can see in this problem, just take x common, rest will be automatically done, because it's a partial fraction problem, so it will definitely be lengthy but not at all difficult. At last, if the adjustment is needed, do such adjustment. If not, then you can leave the answer to this particular step only. I hope you understood this problem. Thanks and have a very nice day.